Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Skylanders on Xbox Series X. First, make sure you have a compatible Skylanders game like Skylanders, Spyro's Adventure, Giants, Swap Force, etc. Preferably the Xbox One backward compatible version for Series X. Then, insert the disc or download the digital version from the Xbox store. Now wait for the installation to complete. Skylanders requires the portal of power to connect physical figures. Next, connect it via USB to your Xbox Series X. Here, use the powered USB hub if the portal needs more power. After that, put the Skylanders figures on the portal. The game should recognize the characters immediately. Now launch the game. Then, choose Player Adventure mode. Both the portal and figures must remain connected throughout gameplay. For 2 players, connect a second controller. Next, place a second figure on a portal. Finally, select Player 2 in-game. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.